Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. As I said last time, I wanted to review the mascara from Estee Lauder, but I honestly forgot and I went ahead and used it. I did put it on my eyelashes today and it was really amazing, more than the other one that I reviewed. So it was actually really great. But today we are going to create a look using my most favorite palette, which is Amarezy from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Honestly, this is the one I use basically all the time. This one and the one from, I think I forgot the other one that I reviewed. Those two are maybe because it's more neutral. This one has a little more pop. But my most favorite palettes. Stay tuned if you guys want to watch how I created this look. Also, we're gonna learn how to, well, at least how I started learning, because I just barely started doing it. We're gonna do like a half crease, so it's just the middle part, not all the way in the back. So you guys are interested how I created this look, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so that is the end of the eyeshadow tutorial. Sorry if I sound a little grouchy. I still kind of woke up, well, I woke up like 2 hours ago, but I still feel kind of like this. But this is the final look. I wanted to show you guys that I added a little bit of the burgundy color that I had in the inner corner into the bottom, and then I blended it out with the same light brown color from New Yorker, I think it was called, or Y'all Walker, I forgot what it's called, but I'll probably put it somewhere around the screen. But I did use that the light brown color to blend it out with the little burgundy color in the bottom, so it looks more, you know, cohesive, because otherwise it kind of looked like the burgundy color kind of looked out like, what is it doing in the eye, you know? So yeah, I went ahead and did that. I did wanted to tell you guys that I wanted it to I wanted to tell you guys about the, what's it called, the Estee Lauder what's it called? Sorry about the rumbling. I'm trying to look for it. The Estee Lauder mascara. I know I was gonna do a review on them. I already went ahead and opened them. I didn't think much of it because I honestly thought it was going to be great. The concealer disappointed me. That's why I was kind of like, oh, maybe the rest doesn't work. Regardless of the foundation is amazing. The rest of the items that came with the gift set wasn't that great. But I wanted to tell you guys about the mascara. Here it is right here. I already used it. Every day I now use this all the time. It completely replaced the one I told you guys about before, the Superhero It, which was this one right here. Completely replaced it. Honestly, this one, how do you say, it doesn't leave them clumped. I think the other one you guys noticed, I always had a lot of clumped around my lashes. So what I did, I stopped wearing eyelashes for at least almost like a week now. So my lashes are more, you know, a little bit healthy, and I don't have glue in the middle of them. I don't know if you guys relate, but when I wear lashes a lot of the glue stays in the inside of the lashes. And I don't like that very much. It looks clumpy, and you know, it just doesn't look right. So we're gonna go ahead and test this one out so you guys can see how it looks on my eye. I actually really love it. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Boop. As I told you guys before, I like to look down like this so I can have more of a volume. So if I look down, it's because I'm trying to do this like, so I can show you guys exactly how it is, you know. So you're gonna look down like this. Alright, so I like putting the mascara here and closing the eyes slowly so you get like the best volume. Like this. Right, and do the other side or the inner corner. We're gonna slowly up. Wow, look at that. Alright you guys, so that is it. That is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys like my makeup tutorial today. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and taking that time to watch them. Again, don't forget to go ahead and buy this palette. This palette is honestly really great. I use it on an everyday basis, and hopefully you guys like the little mini tutorial I did with the mascara from Estee Lauder. Honestly, it's a very good mascara. Go ahead and buy it if you guys can. Honestly guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the video and click on the post notification so you can get notifications when I upload another video. Again, you guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.